thoracic spine stretches. And now we want to begin to get a little bit more active through the shoulder girdle and the range of motion at the shoulder. So we've got this setup that we've been using. Scotty's a good straight line between shoulder and hip. We want to adjust the height of this knee so that as he rotates open, he can get his shoulders in full contact. So for Scotty, an Airex pad plus a medicine ball gets us into a good position. We want to adjust that height accordingly. So now to get him set up, we're going to start with the top arm, an internal rotation placed on the lumbar spine. We're going to make sure that the front of the shoulder is in a good position, not protruding out forward. And as he rotates open, we want to see that the shoulder blade comes in full contact with the ground. And now we're going to ask him to sweep his arm, maintaining contact with the shoulder blade, the elbow, and the hand throughout the process. As he gets to 90 degrees, he's going to rotate that palm to the ceiling. And at any point we see the elbow, hand come off the ground, we're going to ask him to push this knee into the ball. It's going to stabilize the spine and allow him to get a little bit more stability, a little bit more range of motion. Once he gets to his end range, we're going to breathe, focusing on that breath to own the movement throughout. And then we'll return as he gets to 90 degrees. Palm rotates downward. And we're going to ask him to go as far as he can. And about here is where Scotty's shoulder wants to begin to lift off the ground, so he can't quite make it back to the lumbar spine. That's fine. We're now going to return and start the stretch over. So the key elements here, looking that we're getting a nice pure rotation and good shoulder positioning throughout, will help this be an effective movement.